Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Listen Imran channel. This is MD Imran Khan. Are you tired of encountering blog websites while using your school Chromebook? Well, you are not alone. Many schools employ filters to restrict access to certain websites. But don't worry, there are ways around it. In this video, I will be showing you some methods for unblocking websites on a school Chromebook. But before we dive in, please keep in mind that attempting to bypass school filters may violate school policies and can result in consequences. So use this information responsibly and always following the rules set by your school. Let's get started. For this, you should go on Google and search listenimran.com. If you search this on Google, you will find this post, or you can search here how to bypass. You will see this blog post. Click here. Here you can find the full guideline for unlocking the web, how to bypass school filters and unblock websites on a Chromebook in 2023. If you are a student using a Chromebook provided by your school, you may have encountered situation where certain websites are blocked. This can be frustrating, especially if you need access to this website for school projects or research. However, it's important to understand that school filters are put in place to maintain security, protect about online threats, and enforce school policies. Fortunately, there are ways to bypass these filters and unblock websites on a school Chromebook. In this blog post, we will go over two methods for unblocking websites on a school Chromebook in 2023 using a VPN and using a proxy server. Method 1. Using a VPN. A virtual private network. VPN is a service that creates a secure encrypted connection between your device and a remote server. When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through the VPN server, which can help you bypass internet filters and access websites that are blocked. To set up a VPN on your Chromebook, you will need a sign up for a VPN service. There are so many VPN services available, free and paid. Some popular VPN services include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. Once you have signed up for a VPN service, you will need to download the VPN client software to your Chromebook. Once you install the VPN client software, you will need to log into the VPN and choose a server that is located in a country where the website you want to access is not blocked. When you connect the VPN, your Chromebook's internet traffic will be routed through the VPN server, allowing you to access the website you want to unblock. The main advantage of using a VPN is that it is generally more secure than using a proxy server. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic, making it more difficult for third parties to interrupt to monitor your online activities. However, there are some disadvantages to using a VPN. Some VPN service may slow down your internet connection, and some schools may have policies against using VPNs. Method 2. Using a proxy server. A proxy server is a server who acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet. When you use a proxy server, the proxy server retrieves the website you want to access and send the content back to your device. This can help you bypass internet filters and access websites that are blocked. To set up a proxy server on your Chromebook, you will need to find a proxy server that you can use. There are many free proxy servers available online, but be aware that the school filters may detect and block these as well. Once you found a proxy server, you will need to configure your Chromebook to use the proxy server. To configure your Chromebook to use a proxy server, you will need to go to the Chrome setting menu. In the Chrome setting menu, go to the Advanced section and click on the System option. In the System section, click on Open Proxy Setting. Open Proxy Setting. In the Proxy Setting menu, you will need to enter the proxy server's IP address and port number. Remember this IP address and port number. Once you enter the proxy server's information, click Save. When you access the website you want to unlock, the website's content will be retrieved by the proxy server and sent back to your Chromebook. The main advantage of using a proxy server is that it's relatively easy to set up. However, there are lots of disadvantages to using a proxy server. Proxy servers can slow down your internet connection, and the school filters may detect and block the proxy server you are using. Additionally, proxy servers may not be as secure as VPNs, as they do not encrypt your internet traffic. This means that third parties such as hackers or your school administrators may be able to intercept and monitor your online activities. Conclusion: blocked website can be a frustration for students using school provided Chromebooks, but there are ways to bypass these filters and unblock websites. Both VPNs and proxy servers can be used to unblock websites, but each method has its own advantages and disadvantages. When choosing between a VPN and a proxy server, it is important to consider your specific needs. If security and privacy are your top concerns, a VPN may be the better option. However, if you are looking for a simple and quick solution, a proxy server may be the way to go. Regardless of which method you choose, be aware that unblocking websites on a school Chrome may be against your school policy. It's always best to check with your school IT department before attempting to unlock websites on a school Chrome. Please read this method second and method first carefully, then you can unblock the web. How to bypass school filters and unblock website on a Chromebook in 2023. If this video helpful for you, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.